guys, in this I'm going to do a quick turntable of the robot so you guys can see it. It looks absolutely awesome. Apparently you can put stuff like water pellets in here. Don't really care about that much, but there's the on and off switch right there. And the battery goes in there. So let's see, screwdriver, let's open this up and see what that's all about. It seems pretty solid for a toy, so that's good right there. Oh, okay, so it's a super tiny, teeny weeny polka dot bikini battery. I don't know how long that will last, but it's LiPo, so it might last a decent amount of time. Let's actually take that out so that we can charge it. It'll be interesting to see what...
Likey.